How to add your name on lock screen on iPhone. First thing first, you have to make sure that you install this application on your device. It's called AnyText. Once you have installed, now what you want to do is turn off your phone and open your lock screen. Now tap and hold the screen. Click on Customize. Select your lock screen. Tap on Add Widgets over here. Scroll down and the option of AnyText will be visible to you. Click on it. Now from here, select any of the widget. Let me click on this one. Once you have added, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now go back to your application AnyText. Now in here, click on the widget one as you have added. In here, simply type in the text that you want to add. Let me enter Billie Eilish. Once you have entered, now go back to your previous page and once again head over to your lock screen. And there you can see that the name has been successfully added to your lock screen. You can enter any of the name that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add your lock screen on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.